Hello, everyone. My name is John Polianzano, and today I will be discussing a new topic for you. So, oh, who is she? Who is he rather? Are you excited? A misty memory. Did you know that this person was a Renaissance polymath, active as a active as a mathematician, astronomer, and a Catholic a Catholic canon who formulated a model of the universe that the sun that the sun that the place the sun rather the earth at its center. So so today we will be discussing the intellectual revolution that defines society. So you will know who is Copernican. Who is Nicholas Copernican? Nicholas Copernican was born in Poland on February 19, 1473. He studied in mathematics, medicine, and law. Wow. And also, he was the first to propose the heliocentric theory. According to Copernican revolution, the theories and ideas from ancient thinkers about the natural world and the universe serve as the foundation of understanding astronomy today. True, true there is only the small number of extraordinary thinkers, and during the time of antiquity, there is always a divergence of theories and ideas of philosophers. The fact that the Earth is not the center of the solar system is one of the outcome of scientific revolution. And also, mathematics was the common tool to explain the motion of celestial bodies and other latter combined with actual observation, which provide enough evidence for proving that the sun is the center of the solar system. So, in fact, that according to the scientific revolution, that the Earth is not the center of the solar system, and the mathematics explain it how motion of celestial bodies and other latter combined with actual observation that provides evidence that the sun is the center of the solar system. Wow. Next one is Nicholas Copernican and his family. His family was rich, allowing him to study in multiple fields, which is, did you find kanina? Um, um, yes. Um, he began studying astronomy in his late teens. By the time tables and planetary motions based on the Potomac model has become noticeable inaccurate rather. However, few people were willing to undertake the difficult calculation required to revise the table. Also, his works development, the works and development of Nicholas Copernican. Nicholas Copernican was the modal success in providing the geometric layout for the solar system. Convince him the sun is centered heliocentric model is correct, which is he modeled the heliocentric revolution, or what we say is what I say is the Copernican revolution. Next one is the Copernicus was hesitant to publish his work, fearing that his suggestion that the Earth move would be considered absurd. It's like they that the Earth was moving in the solar system that will be absorbed. However, he discussed his system with other scholars, including high-ranking officials of the Catholic Church, who urged him to publish a book. Because of these problems and other Copernicus delayed the publication of his major astronomical work, the De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium Librivi, or as what can say on the revolution of heavenly spheres, nearly of all his life. Completely around 1530, it was not published until 1543. The year of his death was May May 24th. May 24th. Next, what is it? What is the heliocentric? What is heliocentric? So the heliocentric Copernican system, first is the sun at center, which is the sun was the center of the solar system, not the earth. Next one is the uniform of circular motion, which is the moving of the planets according to the solar system, and no epicycles almost. Moon orbits the Earth and the Earth orbits the Sun as the another planet, which is the Moon is moving around the Earth and Earth is moving around the solar system. Planets and stars are still on fixed pairs. Stars don't move. Remember that. Stars don't move. The daily motion of the stars results from the Earth's spin. Wow. The annual motion of the stars results from the Earth's orbit. Hmm, interesting. Summarization. You can see here that the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, which is this green line is the solar system. Solar system part is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. And the center of that is the sun. And as a heliocentric system is one in which the planets revolve around a fixed sun. As what can I say? As what can I say? As what I say? As what I say? Jupiter and Saturn all revolve around the sun. The moon is the only celestial spheres in the system which revolves around the earth and together with it around the sun. Model of heliocentric theory. This is the model of heliocentric theory according to Copernican. Here, you can see here the model of heliocentric. Mhm. So, history, science, and impact of the revolution. The, the impact of the Copernican revolution in science and the history. All throughout, heliocentric theories has been considered by philosophers as early as Philaeus in 5th century BCE. And while there had been earlier discussion of the possibilities of Earth's motion, Copernicus was the first to propound a comprehensive heliocentric theory equal in scope and predictive capability to Ptolemy's geocentric system. Motivated, motivated by the desire to satisfy Plato's principle of uniform secular motion. Copernicus was led to overthrow traditional astronomy because of his inability to be reconciled with the Platonic dictum, as well as his lack of unity and harmony as the system of the world. Hmm. Relying on virtually the same data of Ptolemy had posed, Copernicus turned the world inside out, putting the sun at the center and setting Earth into motion around it. Copernicus' theory, published in 1543, possessed as qualitative simplicity that 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 Ptolemaic astronomy appeared to lack, which is the Ptolemaic astronomy was lack of evidence. To achieve comparable levels to quantitative precisions, however, then the new system became just as complex as the old. Perhaps Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of Copernicus' astronomy lay in Copernicus' attitude towards the reality of his theory. In contrast, the Platonic instrumentalism, Copernicus asserted that to be satisfactory and and must describe the real physical system of the world. Copernicus did not solve all the difficulties of the Ptolemaic system. He had to keep some of the cumbrous, cum, cumbrous apparat, cumbrous apparatus rather of epicycles and other geometric adjustments, as well as a few Aristotelian crystalline spheres. The results was neither, but not so striking that it commanded immediate universal assent. Moreover, there were some implicant applications that caused considerable concern. Why should a crystalline orb containing Earth circle the sun? And how was it possible for Earth itself to revolve and axis on 24 hours without hurling all objects, including humans, of its surface? No one knows. No one knows. Physics could answer these questions, and the provisions rather, of such answers was to be the central concern of the scientific revolution. History, history in science and impact revolution. The reception of Copernican astronomy emerged amounted to victory by the infiltration by the at time largest opposition the theory had developed in the church and elsewhere. Most of the best professionals astronomers had found some aspect or other of the new system indispensable. Copernicus' book, the De Revolutionibus Orbium Caelestium Libri, 6 books concerning the revolutions of the heavenly orbs, published in 1543, became a standard reference for advanced problems and astronomical research, particularly for its mathematical techniques. Thus, it was what's widely read by mathematical astronomers, in spite of in spite of in spite of its central cosmological hypothesis, which by widely ignored in 1551. The German astronomer Erasmus Reinhold published the Tabulae Protonos Protonic tab tables computed by Copernican methods. So Nicholas Copernicus change how education human beings view the world by constructing the heliocentric theory of Earth's relation to our sun. According to heliocentric theory, which is now considered common knowledge, Earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. This heliocentric theory replaced the Ptolemaic geometric theory. The Ptolemaic system was not mathematically elegant, but in Copernicus' day, the church subscribed to the Ptolemaic theory because that was the description of the cosmos given in the Bible. What lesson could we learn about the Copernicus revolution? In this regard, we have much to learn from Copernicus. While his hypothesis was literal, we will do well to remember its figurative interpretation and be reminded constantly we are not at the center of the universe. The world does not revolve around us. Thank you for listening. And that was my discussion about the revolution of Copernicus. To know that we know what we know, and to know that we don't know what we do not know. That is true knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.